Hi guys, it's me Serena. Make sure to subscribe to this video and give a like. Now let's start what I'll be saying. So today, I know it's quarantine, but today we're going to go to a beach.
Yay!
We have all our toys for the beach and we're all dressed up like
And we have our friends coming over there, but we're gonna maintain social distance.
And my friends are coming too. My sister's friends are coming, and my friends are coming.
And we're gonna have a lot of fun over there, correct?
Yeah, that's good.
And give me a high five. Yes.
Yeah.
But wait, what are you gonna do if the water is cold? What are you gonna do?
Anything, I don't care.
You don't care?
This is my hair. Good.
Yeah, your hair looks good. All right. Good work, Seth. Good work. All right, we're gonna. Can you close it for me? Do you know how to close it? Do you know how to close it?
Oh yeah.
How to close it? Uh-oh, you don't know how to close it. Need help? Oh, mommy's gonna close it for you. Mommy, how are you, mommy? Seth, look here, buddy. Put your glasses on. Wrong way. Wrong way. Turn around. Glasses are wrong. Yeah, there you go. Put them on. Show me. Perfect. Hi, Bucky. How are you, Zara? How are you? Good? Good or good?
Why are there two car labels there?
I don't know. Stop it, Seth. Anything you want to say, Seth?
We're gonna have a lot of fun in the beach.
Oh. And here comes Serena.
Where's my real bubbles?
Come on, guys. It's getting late.
Why is it so hot in here?
I know.
Wait, I did forget these. Here, you can use this.
Come on, Zara,
Oh,
girl.
bubbles! Here. Oh, bubbles!
Bring the bubbles back, dude.
Oh, bubbles! Bubbles!
Hey, guys, nobody fights in the car. Hello?
Yeah?
Nobody fights in my car.
Wait!
So here we are, finally at the beach, and my son Ibu just got up. He just had a power nap, right, son? Give me a high five. There you go. All right, you got your blanket already? Let me unbelt you. All right, let's go, guys. All right, you guys excited? You can take the gloves, the mask off. Yeah, take the mask off, guys. Give me the mouse bomb. Seth, look here.
That's a big bird.
Look, the bird, the big bird. Seagulls. Huh? You can take all your masks too, guys. Come on, take all your masks.
We made a slide of our own. We made a slide for like water.
Wow, look at this.
Look at this slide. Come here. We'll take. It goes
Let me settle down first.
water. Serena, we have a slide.
Can I play, Danny? Yes, yes. Let's go. You want to go down there? You scared? All right, let's go. Come on. I can't hold you. Let's go. All right, Oppo, you want to go down all the way down there? Zara! All right, give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Give me your hand. Just give me your hand. That's it. And whoa, and let's go. There you go. See? It was easy. See? It's go easy. There you go. You got it. It's okay. Nice? Yay! It was easy, right? Is the water cold? Whoa! Water is freezing. Woo! Whoa! Give me a high five. It's fun. There you go. Give me a high five.
Sandy high five.
Sandy high five. Give me a high five. Oh, sorry, where's Zara? Zara, give me a high five. There you go. Wow, you write your name? S-E-T-H, Seth. All right, little fella, I think it's time to go. Come on. We gotta go. Come on, Seth. We're leaving. what, buddy? Whoa! Whoa! Come here. What are you doing, Selena? What are you doing?
Where's this glider thing? Okay, guys, follow me.
Okay. Ah.
There's so many ways to slide down with
This is like 8 feet deep, right here.
I know. So I made a path.
Oh wow. So you can slide down?
Yeah. There's actually so many paths here that I made.
Okay.
So like I make them like straight.
So what's the plan here? What are you gonna do exactly? Put it over here and slide down.
So, oh yeah?
Sit on, tight.
No,
You sure it's gonna work?
yeah.
You wanna push you a little bit?
No.
All right.
I'm on
Whoa! Here's the water. Show me. Come back here. It's cold. Wow. Nice, right? So guys, we had a great day today at the beach with our friends, and now we all settled down and eating ourselves Popeyes. You enjoying the fries, little one? Would you like to say something before we hang up?
Oh my guys, make sure to subscribe and give a like on this video, and make sure to ring the
Bell.
Ring the bell. Ring the bell when you do it.
And subscribe our channel.
Bye bye.